My aim is to help you face this academic probation head on. And I believe one of the best ways to do this is for us to explore more empowering personal and academic things for you to embody so that you can rise to the occasion in this moment, because that's what is going to demand and take from you every single day in a semester. This is why I call this moment for you your immediate rematch. Don't even call it an academic probation anymore. Why? Because constantly telling ourselves, I'm on academic probation, I'm on academic probation. And that's our self-narrative that we're telling ourselves. More than likely, it's bringing a ton of thoughts and feelings within us that say, dang, who knows if I can get my GPA all the way to good academic standing this semester or next semester, and it's this dark cloud over us when we walk and talk to others, we're going to law school, and we feel like this moment is so much bigger than us. But when we say to ourselves, I'm in a rematch, and knowing what we know about the true purpose and meaning of a rematch, we're having a completely different eternal dialogue from within us. We're more than likely saying to ourselves, okay, I bombed last semester, but give me another shot, law school. Watch this. I got this. I'm going to blow exams out the water next time. Ooh, let's go. It's going to be a one-sided victory. You thought that you see me, okay, I bombed it. All right, let's go. I'm going to turn it up. And that's just more empowering. That is the meaning and purpose of a rematch. Now, rematches are more used and popularized for individual sports like swimming, tennis, boxing, mixed martial arts, UFC. And after a match, it's the losing side that asks for and chooses to do a rematch with their opponent. The winning side can care less. They want to move on to something else. But no, the losing side's like, hey, let's run this back. I need that one more time. I need another shot. Let's go. You ain't getting off that easy. I'm not letting you off the hook that easy. We got to go at it again. And when a losing side chooses this, they're not going into it thinking that, oh man, I'm going to lose, or man, taking on this rematch and it's probably going to be the same result as last time. No, they take it on because deep down inside, they know if they go back to the drawing board, tweak a couple things, and with a little time, little improvement, it can be a completely different outcome the second time around. Now, does the losing side win all the time in the rematch? Some do, and some don't. But the point that I'm trying to drive here is the mentality that a rematch brings, the determination, and seeing the infinite possibilities in that next moment, a spotless moment, where it's just nothing but potential. And we give ourselves that opportunity versus just, man, forget it. Because why take on a rematch? Why would the losing side take on a rematch? If that's the case, they're just like, forget it. Why even do it? But choosing to do a rematch, it's a whole world of difference. What does this sound like to you? Sounds like law practice to me. Litigation in particular. We are involved in an adversarial legal system. two lawyers go up to a judge and one will only prevail. So rightfully so, we can say that this is a legal match. And the legal system affords the losing side a rematch if they happen to lose at the trial court level. If you notice, most of the law cases that we read in law school are appellate court cases where the losing side says, hey, I lost at the trial court level, but give me this rematch and let's try this at the appellate court level. Some of them win, some of them don't. But then some of them rematch it again and take it up to the higher level courts. Some of them win, some of them don't. But they just don't stop at the trial court level. They decide that they want their rematch. They keep fighting. They keep going. And they see greater potential, greater possibilities in that second time around. And that's what it's all about. Same can apply here, but just with a different twist with you. More often than not, you are not going to rematch your same classes from the previous semester. But the opponent is the same. And the opponent is facing the pressures and taking final exams. That's the opponent because you bombed it. But to prepare and to overcome that in newer and greater ways this time around, this is what you are rematching. And this is what is inspiring and empowering of this moment, that you can meet this moment in greater ways like never before. It's possible. Just like you can lose at the trial court level and you can see your last semester's grades as losing at the trial court level. But hey, you're about to rematch it and take it up another level, take it to that next level, and you can still come out on top. It's possible. So this is something just to think about, my friends. You don't necessarily have to call it a rematch. This is something that I embody and love. If you haven't seen my rematch videos, go in the description box below. Fall 2019, spring 2020, my rematch semesters, it was a whole different energy about me versus just like, man, I'm just returning to law school and yeah, that's it. No, I had a theme. That was my storyline, and a rematch is like a storyline with it. It's that underdog movie story that we all love, that overcoming story. And that's what I got behind and got me the results and got me here talking to you right now. But as I was saying, you don't have to say rematch. You can use any theme, any word, phrase, mantra that you want. Whatever resonates with you. That's all that matters. And I hope that this video can spark some ideas and some inspiration for you to use and to no longer just tell yourself that you're on probation. Whether you say, hey, this is the bounce back of the year, of the ages, comeback of the year, centuries, however you want to phrase it, hey, it's empowering to you. It resonates with you. And how to make this real to yourself and embody it every single day, I'll make a separate video in the power of affirmations and daily reminders, because that deserves a video in itself. I can go on, but I just want to leave it right here with this, and you can check out that video later on when I make it. But be the challenger. Show law school what a real academic champion looks like in this moment. Let's go. Rematch, baby. Your immediate rematch. You ain't going nowhere. No dismissal. You are here to stay. Playing for keeps, baby. Let's go. Stay relentless.